So yeah, again, I have finished my entire selling day. So I'm in right now end of the day night mode. So this time I usually do recording my video. So thereafter I need to go mosque. So today's video I'm gonna just share with you how you can be like me. So it's kind of you need to do schedule, you need to do create a routine for daily. So for daily I say, so if you write down on your paper 4 a.m. what should I do, 4 to 5 a.m. what should I do, 4 to and 10 a.m. what should I do, 11 a.m. what should I do, all of things write down on your paper. It's kind of accountability your paper. So each day if you feel bored, if you feel tired, do that immediately, do that repeatedly, continuously, do that according to your routine, so that you write. But so after 1 month you can change your routine, you can improve your routine somewhat. So I suggest that I just do that like 7 month, 8 month, something like that. I have created my routine, and before 7 month, I hadn't routine any. So I just spending my entire life randomly, like 99% people doing that. So you need to create your routine yourself. That's as if effective for you. So like that you need to create a routine according to effective way. So and another thing I will share with you, that's financial thing. Skill, you need to keeping a skill in your, as if you are 20 to 30, you have enough time for achieve gain skill for learning other people, learning from life, learning from real world, not school, college, university, formal education. So you have enough time, you just uh, you just continuously learn and doing as well, doing something as well, learning. So and if you feel bored at that time, I know that because of every good thing, every good deed when you do at that time, if you do that continuously, repeatedly, every day, each day, board is automatically coming. So every people feeling like that, uh, board come, but no strong at that time, not bored. I continuously doing course, I'm continuously watching, I'm learning. If board come, I have control, I need to control that board. And if you feel at that time tired, no, I have a control. You need to control your emotion, all of emotion. It either it either angry, it either love, all of emotion you need to control. It either sex, all of emotion you need to control. I'm hoping you will be a masculine man, you will be a productive man if you follow my advice. So first, I have said that first you need to create your one routine, and thereafter, if you follow your routine continuously, your board is calm automatically. So you need to control that. And third, you need to control all of emotion, love, either I say that love, angry, and sex, all of emotion you need to control. Three things keep in mind. One is you need to create a one routine. Keep in mind that uh, holding a pen and write down on paper your routine. How would be your routine? Exercise, prayer, learning something from online, from real world, all of things. Keeping putting your writing on your paper. That's you need to create your one routine. Number one. Second is I have said, I'm just over and over again. I said that 3 times. I would say two. Number two is when you follow this routine, you continuously, you need bored is automatically come. So you need to control bored, tired. And number three, all of emotion, you need to control, like all of emotion like anxiety, angry, sex, love, all of emotion you need to control. I have a control, like if I see a girl, I need to control that. Who care that? I doesn't care that. So you need to control that yourself, your own way. So I'm hoping you need to keep in your other thing, not only on a specific thing. Like if you just follow your sex, it's doesn't. You need to keep in all of things. You need to keep in your financial situation. You need to uh, you need to look your fitness. You need to look your other productive thing. You need to look your social thing. You need to uh, look your financial. I have said that, as you know. So that's it. I'm hoping you will get something from this video, and see you later. Until that, happy hunting and take care.